Wow, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a pack for you guys. I have another case or pack for Meta Quest 3. I have many of this stuff. I'm trying different bag, but I think this is one of the best here. This one, because this you can carry with you on your shoulder anywhere you go. Let me take this off. Wow, beautiful pack. This one you can see when you're not using, you can save this one. You see as this, very comfortable to carry this one. You have a hard shell on this. You can see here is a diamond shape. On the top is a really hard shell. It will save your Quest or any other things you are carrying. You can carry other things as well. This is from ANNAPRO. So this is well-known brand for battery strap or other things. I have a couple of video. Check the video description if you want to check them. So look at this bag. Wow. You can see you can carry on your shoulder. Lovely. Wow. Here you can hang something, maybe your headset or other things. And look at this strap. Wow. You can change the way if you want put here. Let me show you close. This is not a plastic hook. This is a metal. If you want to change your shoulder, you take this off from here. You can put another way. This side, you can apply this one as this. So you can change the side as you want. Wow. You have a beautiful handle here to carry wherever you want. Very good thinking. Wow. And this part is most beautiful. The body, let me show you, so much comfortable. Is perfect. The much cushion all over the places, so you will travel very comfortably. Okay, we have double zip in this case. Let me open this one from this one and that one. Wow. Inside you see we have a bag. Lovely. So if you want to put your controller, headset, any other stuff, battery, you can put in this one. Here you have a belt, okay, with a lock. Here, this one a button. If you press this one, it will open. So it will hold your Meta Quest at the middle without moving. And it's quite big because you see, you can put all inside with your battery strap very easily inside. This side you have a couple of pockets. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. The behind is the big one. 3 pockets, sorry. Here 2 and 1, 3. So the pocket behind is a big one, then 2 is small to carry things. Very beautiful build. So this is one of the best. And let's try then Meta Quest 3 in this. Here we go. I have Meta Quest 3. The battery stuff from ANNAPRO, very good. It lasts 4 hours. Okay, lovely. So I'm gonna take the battery out, or with the battery you can try. You can reduce the size if you want, and we'll try. Let's see. It can go inside with the battery directly or no. You see how perfect this one, without any problem, without taking even the cable, everything. It fits great. You see, perfect fitting. You can see perfectly built. And here 2 controller we can put inside. This one and another one here together, and we close this one. Lovely. Put at the middle. You can carry more things at the middle, I guess. And you can close this one. Let's see. I'm closing the zip. 1 and another from this side. Wow, perfect. Wow. You see, it's not even feel that heavy. So with your battery strap from ANNAPRO and back from ANNAPRO all together, you can carry your VR set anywhere you want. Lovely pack on your shoulder without any problem. Wow. The build quality of this bag is very high. You see here is a premium product, okay, not a cheap in this case. So let me unzip. Here we go. And you see how comfortable this one. Wow. So this is unboxing and review of a pack from ANNAPRO for your VR Meta Quest 3 or 3S. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.